Hello traders, good evening all. So uh, one more day where market closed near day's low. It opened gap up, say like Nifty 50 open gap up. Spot open gap up, made a open high, started breaking previous day's low. It took a support around previous day low. It scaled up, but it can't push above the VWAP zone. Okay, and then it started coming down again, a pullback, pushed it down and closed near day's low. Whereas Bank Nifty did the same. A gap up open, took support around this value area high zone here, went towards the developing value area high here, and again it rejected, came down, tested a new low, it closed at day's low. So it closed below 34,660 levels. So tomorrow, in case if it is a gap down open, so obviously we might test this level 34,400 and this VPOC 34,320. So if any support taken here in this zone 3400 and 34,300, then obviously taking support here and crossing 34,600, then obviously expiry could be around 34,800 or 34,900. Okay, so this is Bank Nifty V, and further crack will happen if this 34,320 gets broken. Okay, so that will lead to 3400 or even this low 34,000, 33,900. So tomorrow the pivot level for bull and bear is around this VPOC. So on the other hand, let's say if you open flat anywhere here, if it breaks 34,700 and the pullback, I will be buying, looking for 34,900 or even this VPOC 35,170. Okay, so for that 34,900 to be broken, so if 34,900 broken, then obviously this 200 point trade is a sealed trade. Coming to Nifty, again the same story. Nifty future, okay, so it exactly closed and took support around 15,682, the trend days value area high. So if this gets broken, so obviously we are going to visit 15,650 and this VPOC 15,600. Okay, so where it is going to open tomorrow is important, and comparatively this looks weaker. Nifty looks weaker than Bank Nifty. Okay, so tomorrow 15,600 is a level to watch on future. On the other hand, if it opens above 15,700, 720 mark and holds this, then we are on for this POC 15,770 zone or 760 zone. Even we can test this 15,800 mark. So expiry could be there. So tomorrow we need to cross this mark 15,720. Keep in tab for any bullish trade or bullish auction to occur. On OI, what we are seeing is Nifty. So the highest call open interest is around 15,800. It was at 16k. It totally shifted towards here, and put open interest at 15,500 zone. Okay, so market closed here, so nearly 200 points away. They are standing up, so probably if something happens, then expiry could be around here as well. But for that, lot of levels to take, but I always say in markets anything can happen. We can't say this won't happen or that won't happen. So anything can happen. Bank Nifty. So 35,000 and 34,000. So the OI range is nearly about 1,000 points and we closed in the middle. Okay. So tomorrow watch how we are going to open, and live updates I will just give on the Twitter or Telegram. Okay. So that's it for now. Have a lovely expiry day. As always I say, especially for option buyers, stay calm. You will get a better trade in the afternoon session. Don't rush up. If there is a trade, else stay away from markets and protect your capital. Okay. On any given day, you need to protect your capital. Don't lose that capital in a useless trade. That I always say. When you don't know something, don't poke yourself into the market. Leave it. There will be always some day where you can spot the trades very easily. So you need to understand that. Okay. Anyway, let's talk a lot in coming videos. I am planning to keep everyday live market analysis short videos, say like 2 or 3 minutes videos. So kindly subscribe and do share with your friends if you like my analysis. Thank you so much. Take care and be in good health. Bye everyone.